seats at the back there. Anytime from this moment, MUHALI will be with us. I'm good in the south side.
Oh, I'm very fine. I thank you. Very fine, I thank you.
Wonderful. And we welcome you.
Oh, I thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. I am very happy that you are here. You are at school. And you remind me, while I was young, I loved school very much. Because this is where your future begins. Mr. Principal, I am not happy at all about the average performance of your school. What is the problem?
You see, sir, the problem is that we lack a lot of resources, of which it includes your laboratory, and also, as you can see, the library that we're using here is very small.
I see. Well, gentlemen, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
I'm very fine. It's long that I've been sitting here.
Oh, it's long, is it?
Yes.
So you can have a seat.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I thank you.
You're welcome, Baba. I'm so happy to see you.
I thank you very much. I thank you. I thank you.
You know, I have this big problem of our African brothers being accused of different kind of crimes.
I think we must invite that woman for community intervention in Venda.
MUHALI.
I am very disappointed in you, you know. How can you say that? And I heard rumors about you. I hope you are innocent.
Oh, hello, Daddy. What is the problem now? This, you know, neighbor.
They accuse me of being a killer.
Girl, do you know that by next year, tertiary education is going to be for free? Like, I mean, your college, your university, mahala girl, halala, mahala, really? And the professor, temperature in Tangamanga. You might be crazy, that will never happen, I'm telling you.
Yeah, they gonna bow down. They gonna say,
MUHALI, huko pia ngeni Vhembe district municipality una mtu kana anakumbelo angaba amna miṅwaha ya 16 o wanala obviwa and the body parts dzawo a khou ḓivha uphidzwa ya kale.
Oh, that's very cruel, you know.
It is indeed, and hangevuwa uko wana vhuṱanzi uri vhathu vha khou thoma zwopisa zwikolo zwezwi vha khou pisa zwibadela and zwa zwino u ya nga he record ine ndavha nayo I khou ri zwikolo zwo pisaho zwa zwino ndi 17
schools.
Nothing can be done to the family that has lost their 16-year-old young man. The accused person did not show any remorse to the crime that he committed. There will be a punishment that follows it. Therefore, the accused will be sentenced to life imprisonment.
a dream she had another day. It was about